Welcome back to One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your CNRail account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in CNRail login. Once you press enter, you will see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll see this kind of interface. On this page, you'll have to click on the login button located at top right. Once you click on it, you will see this pop-up. On this pop-up, you'll have to provide your username and your password. And if you are new to CN, you can click on this register now link to register for a new account. And if you don't remember your password, you can click on this forgot password link to recover your account. Now go ahead and enter your username. And after that, enter your password. And once again, if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover your password. Once you have entered your correct credentials, click on the enter button and you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.